the doom. Famous and I'm on the news. Driving Mercedes and coupe. My message deliver the truth. Connection will hinder your moves. Never surrender or lose. Driving Mercedes and coupe. You must go get in your groove. I'm rowdy, I'm raising the roof. Vodka is high to prove. Wavy because of the smooth. Cash back, rap fast, twist up, bread back, get stacks. Raise it up, focus, tunnel vision, notice. My decisions loaded, on my back toted. Raise the bar like totem. Well, smart nigga really hit on a roll. All these niggas coming out on parole. Tell nigga please let the ganja grow. Gotta get stoned, puffed all the smoke. Stay healthy like artichokes. Wave goodbye like audios. Record this song like audio. Run this shit like cardio. She like how we is awesome, bro. She likes the effects like dominoes. I went to the Cascades. It's a nice ass day.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Oh, that shit was nuts. That shit was nuts.
Out West video.
Go check out that Out West video. It's dope shit. And then a 10-mile hike through like the salt canyons and shit. Feel like dope as fuck.
Where is it?
In Utah.
Oh, where? Is that the shit you tagged me in?
Yeah, they got a bunch of
Blue Canal?
No, not that.
Oh,
That's another thing though.
There's so much shit in Utah I didn't know about.
Utah's a lot of dope ass shit.
Zion, I can't complain about Zion. For the time we had, we actually did what we could.
Dude, next time, y'all gonna come out for like at least 2 weeks. 2 weeks.
Kind of like camp, like a lot. Like at least like every day type shit.
We went to the COVID hotspot when it was literally supposed to be super dangerous.
Yeah,
it was at the worst time.
My sister went to Myrtle Beach 3 weeks ago, and as soon as she got back, she got tested, and she went to go get tested like last week,
And she's good.
and she's good.
That shit's fake, man.
It's fake as fuck.
Yeah.
You guys not realize?
But what about these people who are about the mask? Like, how is it fake? What do you mean? All these statistics, science.
Look, all the CEOs of like big companies have stepped down. Everybody in Hollywood's in court right now for being pedophiles and shit. Like,
I love how like right at the beginning of this stuff we found out that there was like congressmen and CEOs like insider trading during the beginning of all this shit, and now nobody's talking about that. People profited billions of dollars off of this stuff, and nobody wants to talk about it. That's foreknowledge. They knew that this shit was gonna happen, man.
what's up, guys? Y'all goofy.
Stay goofy, people. I got a sick headlamp, dude. $14, dude.
You got a headlamp?
Yeah,
Oh, it's gonna be good for tomorrow.
I'm keeping this bag here. It's like my Roanoke bag where I do outdoorsy shit in, I guess, like camping shit.
Hold up, I think it might be this road. Is it this road?
Yes, sir.
Oh, it's
Cascades Gators, yeah.
yeah, it's this road.
It's not like video game music.
You're doing cartoon shit.
It's the best knife I ever bought in my life right there. Third one I've had.
Dumbass. Hey, don't go. Bro, just back up, dude. Back up. Who gives a fuck?
Is there any cops?
Back up.
Go. Hurry. There's a truck coming. Go. Back up in the Exxon real quick.
That's what I'm doing. Watch out for cops.
All right, you're good, dude. Just back up in the Exxon. Hold up. All right.
Shit, G.
Dish Network!
Oh
my god! Ah! Manifest destiny! The engine's there! Ah, perfect!
I have no idea. He didn't say anything English.
You are a sad, strange little man.
Nobody really knows what goes on there. A lot of people like think that ritual sacrifices and shit like that happens.
Yeah, they worship the owl god Moloch, and they burn a fake figure of hay that looks like a person to the owl god Moloch, dressed in druid outfit that is red, walking around like a bunch of warlocks dancing, and they do orgies, and they have hookers, and
What do they call it?
like all these famous elite people are there.
My type of party.
It's called the cremation of care. That's what they call it. Cremation of care.
And they do spirit cooking, where they act like they're eating a human, but it's a fake human, and like it's fucked.
That's the end of like pizza game stuff, man. But yeah, that's just true, man.
Dude, if I die, I want to do a sky burial for my body.
Thrown out of plane?
No, it's like where like it's in the Himalayas, and like the Himalayan vultures eat your body. So it's like recycling your body into nature. Basically, like yeah, dude. I'm gonna watch it. I don't fucking give a shit about my body when I'm dead.
I mean, honestly, yeah, it doesn't matter. You're not conscious.
Just recycle my body into nature and just have the vultures shit over all over. Dude, I mean, dope. You get shit all over the fucking Himalayas. Dude.
Think about it this way: if like some people get like lost in the snow and shit, and they stumble upon, dude, they got food. You're supplying food.
Well, they're gonna eat vulture shit?
No, not even just vultures. Like, dude, just some humans.
There's Blake right there.
This is a very popular spot.
There's the Blakester. You just pay at that shit, right?
Oh, yeah, but I forgot that I don't have $3.
I can't eat. I got $3.
You guys have I got $1.
I got $3, bro. It's all good.
What's up, bro?
How's it going?
Yeah, if I didn't know you and you ran up on me, dude, trying to fight me, dude, they're gonna be like it's a hate crime. Be like, look at him, look at me, bro. What do you want me to do?
It's like a fucking.
It's like me going up against a fucking grizzly.
It's about getting jacked, bro. You just gotta get jacked.
What's up, G?
What's up, dude?
How are you?
You're getting big too, man.
They haven't seen each other
that's what I heard.
in over a year. It's
Dude,
been.
you're getting
It was in Oregon, bro.
Yeah, I'm trying.
It was in Oregon.
Dude, last time I saw you was in fucking Oregon.
Dude, last time I saw you was in Nevada, bro.
That was fun.
Yeah, dude, that was a year ago. We all met up. We all smoked some weed.
Yeah, that was last June, 2019, right?
Dude, you know how crazy that
And
is?
then AZ.
Dude, it does not feel like that was a year ago when we were hiking. What was that? Was that Mount Hood?
Yeah, it was Mount Hood.
Mount Hood.
Oh, and like glacier and shit? Yeah, that was sick as
In the
fuck.
lava.
Crazy. Yeah, well, I've seen you since all
It's been over 2 months. That was April 28th.
Yeah, that was when we went to.
Hey, just use the whole bottle. It's okay.
Hopefully he reacts.
Dude, these
Oh, he didn't do anything.
I like chicken nuggets, nigga.
What's that loud sound?
Good thing I got that stupidity on camera.
Bro, like I went to the gun store like a month ago. And it was packed like sardines, dude. Like there was a line around the corner out the door.
Hey, look, it's my lantern. It's my lantern. It's my lantern. The pisser at it again.
Yeah.
Trying to.
Out in fucking wilderness with the fucking boys.
Fuck you.
One left.
He's saving it for his grand finale.
Looks like some shit, man.
So,
I'm gonna get it right there. That shit's so fucking dope, dude. Fuck, I kinda wanna go right there. You cut your nails, bro? Looking like an animal.
An animal. 2 hours. Put your hair stuck in the wind like it does out here. That's for you.
that's how you treat somebody. You get them a flower. So you pick them a flower and you throw it at them. Like, yeah, fuck you. There's a flower.
So pretty much what you're saying is be a good cookie, like your back says.
Yeah, be a good cookie.
All he is saying,
Be a good cooker.
be a good cuck. It is whatever you want to do. Drink some more water, bro. You didn't even bring any water, did you? How many ounces of water have you had in the last 3 hours?
A lot.
If you're drinking like this, You're gonna be pissing like a racehorse, they say. Do racehorse really piss that much, though? Is that real? How fast are they?
Like 50 miles an hour.
Yeah. Instead of y'all being the Three Stooges, you guys are the Three Stupids.
Walking around with a gallon of water like Smokey the Bear, dude.
I think like Virginia's turning into like a rainforest now, dude. It's like
Oh, yeah. They're running water and shit, bro.
No, but it's got like more humid,
That's
dude.
cool, too.
For sure. It's hot now, G. You sound like that when you piss.
Drown you in that piss? Because that's where you were born. You were born as a pathogen off of fucking urine.
I heard they suck cock. Nice charger, dude.
Is that Franklin's?
Bro, they're expensive, dude. For a 2 off.
I should try fried ice cream. I'm telling you, whatever. Yeah, I'm telling y'all, dude. Fried ice cream is the way to go. Not as the main course, of course. You know what I'm saying?
Taco, carne
That is the main course, of course.
Yeah, Mount Rogers tall speaking Roanoke 5600, and it's a good spot for the apocalypse.
And you're up so high, you got like a 360 view.
Mount Rogers.
Grayson Highlands?
Yeah, Grayson Highlands.
Dude, I would eat those ponies.
Pony eater?
I would eat them and then I would weaponize them.
Eating pony?
Make them fight each other.
Thank you, sir. That's good shit.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
I'll do water and then a lime jarrito. You can get this
Thanks for taking all the salsa, bro.
with cottage chicken.
Oh, mine's a strawberry, yeah.
Well, I just paid for those.
¿Tienes queso?
Sí, cheesy.
They were options trading. That's how they make money. It's insider trading. Like insider meaning they had foreknowledge that these stocks and these stocks would go down because of this event. So, you know, it's all about just knowing information and shit.
Yeah, so get smart, Johnny. That's pretty much what he said.
You look like a model that didn't make it. Now you're just riding someone's
You look
coattail.
like you were trying to start in Thrasher magazine, but they turned you down.
You just look retarded. So like Chipotle?
32? Yeah, say this is you guys.
Yo, you got a flat tire. Yo, you got a flat tire, bro.
Did your girlfriend like play with your little airsoft pellet ball sack?
Me, people are blinded, they get heated like some pico de gallo,